Oi! Get out of there and kill this Space Marine! Space Marine! What are you hiding down here? Whatever it is, I want it! Go get it, boys! You think you can walk out of here with that sparky thing? I'm Boss Grimskull! This whole planet is mine! I'm gonna twist off your head and paint these walls with your blood. I've been looking for you, Space Marine. I'm gonna put your head on a spike, Space Marine! Space Marine! Was that supposed to hurt? I ain't finished with you yet, Space Marine! I broke one of your boys, Space Marine! Space Marine! You're trying to steal my Titans? Steal my loot? I'll rip your guts right out your throat! You're gonna die! Along with your head! Your Chaos friends were no match for Grimskull! This sparky thing what you want, Space Marine! Ah! 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 Get off my ship, Space Marine! Damn you me! I hate you. That's right! Tear this whole place apart! What? You think you're big enough to hurt me? Why do you give me so much trouble, Space Marine? You can't run from me, Space Marine! No! Ah! You still have the power box! You're gonna die in this dark pipe, Space Marine! You've got some guts to take me on! Then I'll take it for myself! I'll take that! 'Cause I'm gonna kill you, Space Marine! And then I'm gonna build the biggest cannon you've ever seen! That's it! I'm gonna take apart your weak little war titans, Space Marine.
Captain, get...
Ah! Ha ha! You got new friends now, Space Marine! I ain't so easy to kill. I hate you!